As I design spaces here in the forest, one of the values I have is that we should live outside as much as possible. Do I do that? I do not, because I'm a hypocrite. And my infrastructure isn't perfectly set up for it, and sometimes I have spaces where, like, this is a beautiful space right here. This is a beautiful terrace. It's huge. There's been dance parties here and stuff, but it's horribly arranged. And I could have fires out here at night. I could invite people over, but there's garbage here. There's all sorts of crap here. So today I'm going to fix that up. Oops. And prepare it so I can cook outside, so I can have a fire, have a good life. Instead of being inside at my desk, uploading videos and browsing the web for no good reason most of the time. So let's do a quick tour of our starting state. We've got, let's see, this is empty gasoline can, a broken generator, which is not very useful right there actually, a surplus of dog food, which is excellent. If I run out of dog food, I have a serious problem. It's worse than running out of people food. I got a couple. These are my last gasoline I have. My solar power is broken. That should be fixed because I have light bulbs up here, which would lighten up this area at night, as would a fire. Here's my oven. It's a wood-fired oven that I built. I'm actually very proud of the design because it works great. And it's just bricks held together with mud and then some barrels in it that I didn't even have to do any welding on. The door could be better, but this all needs to get cleaned up. I had a flat spot dug out here so that if it's not raining or too sunny, you can sit out there, but that has to be macheted, so that's a problem. There is actually a sink out here as well. Unfortunately, I'm out of water because my little generator over there, which is a great generator, it's a Honda EU 2000i, beautiful generator, very quiet, is not strong enough to run my pump on this house. So I don't have running water in this house right now. But I finally got two parts that I may be able to hacksaw one of them and then hook some hoses onto. It's amazing I bought this pump and it doesn't hook to a normal hose. So I'm going to have to make a hack solution. I'll find a dead hose that I have and cut a piece of it off and then squish it onto the thing and then use an O-ring clamp to clamp that on there. It's really annoying. This is all just dirty as hell. This is my cool wood-fired stove, but you'll notice there's rat shit all over the top of it. It's also designed poorly because you can't get near it. The wood is all falling out of here, so I can't even get over to it and use it. So that's pretty dumb. And propane is how I cook currently. But propane is a difficult thing to get, and my van is dead. So, and it's very heavy. So I have to get a ride into town to get that. Same thing for the gasoline. Pretty bad. Just general garbage laying around. Old beer can. Here's my cool fire dish. I'll get back into production. Here's my excellent solution for feeding the dogs. It works great because I can just open it up. And then according to their hierarchy, they eat their food. And they get food once a day. Occasionally, if they seem really hungry, then I'll open it again later in the day. And then over here, I've got my spark plugs and junk for fixing up this generator. I'm actually going to move this generator to another location. That is going to be tricky. I need to find one more extension cord. I don't know if I have one for that, but I'm going to set up my computer out here. I'm going to do live broadcasts and make it so I can cook and live outside as much as possible. Over here on this table, I've got some cherry seeds. Dang it, this one dried out. I was smashing the outside of cherries up in hopes of, yeah, this seed's ruined. But I have seed planting and things I want to do out here, so that'll be really cool. Geez, I'm tired already. Just thinking about it. But what else can I do but try? I will try.